Alrighty, man, here we go. Let's see, 3 resistors, 4 resistors, and a pill. We'll end up being wrong. That's part of it, it happens sometimes. We'll start out like we always do, man. Look at our straight through SWR. Worldwide. Turn it on. Input SWR. Worldwide. Almost nothing. 2500 watt PP. Wide open. Worldwide. Hello, audio. 1819 on the bird. On the LP. Worldwide. Hello, audio. Worldwide. Hello. So we're looking at 800 average. Hello, 2000p. Hello, audio. Worldwide. 800 average, 2000p. Hello, audio. Worldwide. Hello, audio. Get on down. I'll just key in on a minute, show you everything's good to go. Hello, audio, worldwide, get on down. Hello, Donkey Stomper. Hello. 1, 2, 1, 2. That's on 15.5. Once she's all fixed, ready to go. I'll get a ticket sent to you, give me paid, and we'll get it sent out to you. Alright, buddy, appreciate the business. Hope you have a good one. Your friend 1008 Beats. Catch you later. Bye-bye.